Happiness is not something we find outside of ourselves. It is an inner state shaped by our thoughts, actions, and attitudes. The teachings of the Buddha offer us timeless wisdom, guiding us to unlock the deep well of peace and joy within. Today, we explore 7 simple yet powerful Buddhist principles that can transform the way we live, bringing lasting happiness into our lives. Principle 1. Live in the present. The Buddha once said, "Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment." Happiness blooms when we let go of the past and future. Buddha's teachings remind us that the present moment is the only one we truly have. Too often, we get caught up in regrets or anxieties about the future, but peace can only be found in the here and now. By focusing on the present, we allow ourselves to experience life fully and find joy in the simplest moments. Principle 2. Practice compassion. There was once a young monk who was always troubled by the things he had done wrong in the past, and by the things he feared might happen in the future. His teacher told him, "When you are troubled, look at the tree outside. It stands tall, rooted in the earth, fully present. It does not worry about what has happened or what will happen. It simply lives in the moment." The monk soon realized that peace can only be found when we stop dwelling on what's already gone or what's yet to come. Helping others brings joy to your heart. Compassion is one of the greatest gifts we can offer, not only to others, but to ourselves. The Buddha teaches us that by being kind and understanding, we bring happiness to others and cultivate a deeper sense of joy and connection within our own hearts. Principle 3. Embrace simplicity. As the Buddha once taught, the root of suffering is attachment. True contentment comes from needing less, not having more. In a world that often equates happiness with material success, Buddha teaches us that the path to peace lies in simplicity. When we learn to let go of excessive desires and attachments, we find that what we already have is more than enough. Principle 4. Detach from desire. There was once a man who was obsessed with wealth. No matter how much he gained, he was never satisfied. One day, a wise elder told him, "Imagine you are holding a handful of sand. The tighter you grip it, the more it slips away." The man realized that by chasing his desires, he was only pushing true happiness further away. In letting go, he discovered a calm and peaceful heart. Letting go of attachments and desires is one of the most liberating teachings of Buddhism. When we cling to desires, we are tied to the impermanent and uncertain. By detaching from them, we find a deep sense of peace within, free from the roller coaster of fleeting wants. Principle 5. Cultivate gratitude. The Buddha once said, "Let us rise up and be thankful, for if we didn't learn a lot today, at least we learned a little. And if we didn't learn a little, at least we didn't get sick. And if we got sick, at least we didn't die. So let us all be thankful." Gratitude is a powerful tool for cultivating happiness. By appreciating the small blessings, whether it's a kind word, a moment of peace, or a beautiful sunset, we shift our focus from what we lack to what we already have. Buddha's words remind us that even in challenging times, there's always something to be grateful for. Principle 6. Meditate daily. A young monk asked his teacher, "How do I find peace?" The teacher simply replied, "Sit still, quiet your mind, let go of everything and listen." As the monk practiced meditation, he found that his mind became a calm lake, undisturbed by the storms of life. Meditation calms the mind and nourishes the soul. A peaceful mind allows us to see life clearly and respond with wisdom. By meditating daily, even for a few minutes, we create space for stillness and clarity, bringing us closer to happiness. Principle 7. Follow the middle way. The Buddha once taught, the middle way is the way of moderation, the way of balance. Balance is the key to lasting happiness. Buddha teaches that extreme behaviors and lifestyles, whether of indulgence or austerity, will only bring suffering. The middle way, living with balance and moderation, leads to lasting contentment. In finding equilibrium, we unlock the true essence of happiness. These 7 teachings offer us a roadmap to happiness, guiding us toward peace, contentment, and a more fulfilling life. By living in the present, practicing compassion, embracing simplicity, detaching from desire, cultivating gratitude, meditating daily, and following the middle way, we can unlock the happiness that is our true nature. May these teachings bring you lasting peace and joy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insights on Buddhist wisdom and how to live a peaceful and fulfilling life. Wishing you a peaceful and joyful journey ahead.